Hey traders, welcome back. Here we are on the gold chart or XAUUSD chart, and as I told you in my previous analysis, I told you that we have this triangle for the price on 1 hour time frame. With the break of it to the downside or to the upside, we will go to that direction with the market, which the price broke it to the downside here, so we had the chance to enter sell position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us our RR2 here and even more than that. But right now, if we check the 4 hour time frame, we will realize that the price is actually making a pullback to this trend line, which was broken here on the last days. The price is making a pullback, and if this candle can close like this after something like an hour and 48 minutes, then we can actually enter a buy position here and set our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. Guys, the point is, this is a risky position and the trend is downtrend on lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, and you know, this is actually a risk. We enter buy position here. If this candle can close like this, then actually set our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. Let's go to the daily time frame, then start from there and come back. We had this triangle for the price, which was broken here. I told you that we can enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for our reward, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. And on 1 hour time frame, we had that triangle too, which was broken to the downside, and again the price dropped and touched this trend line. On 4 hour time frame, let's check that. Yes, we have this candle after an hour and 47 minutes. If this candle can close like this, we can have a buy position. On 1 hour time frame, let's check what we have. We have a nice engulfing candle here. The price was falling and touches this trend line, and it makes a nice candle like this one, a green candle without any shadow from upside, showing that the buyers are coming in and actually came in, and the price might start going up from here. Let's check 15-minute time frame. We could actually enter earlier here. That's because I always tell you that you can enter buy and sell positions on support and resistances on lower time frames too, but breakouts are not like that. You can actually draw the levels on bigger time frame, like daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, and trade them, enter the positions in the lower time frames, like 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. As you can see, we had 2 candles showing that the price is getting rejected from this level, this trend line. Then we had the chance to enter buy position here, set our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward, which the price right now gave us our RR1 somewhere here, okay? But on 4 hour time frame, we are actually waiting for the candle to be closed, then we can enter buy position. That is the difference. On 5-minute time frame, let's check what we have. Actually, on 5-minute time frame, let me exit this one. On 5-minute time frame, we can actually have this trend line with the break of it to the downside. We can actually enter a sell position. This is actually a position for the 5-minute time frame, okay? On 15-minute time frame, the scenario is different. On 1 hour is different. On 4 hour it is different. Let's check 1-minute time frame too. Recorrect our trend line, and also we can draw another trend line from upside like this. You can see the touches on that, 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on that. And with the break of it to the upside, I don't enter buy position because it is not my strategy, okay? And I don't enter a buy position with a trend line which is to the upside like this. If it was something like this one, I would have entered, okay? But this kind of positions, I don't enter them. And you can just actually see the candles there on the actually top of that trend line, and if we see some nice candles on that, we can go for sell positions. And also we can imagine a trend line like this one here. with the breakover to the downside, we can enter sell position, but we have to see this trend line here too. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of gold or XAUUSD. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of gold in the upcoming days. And if you have any questions about gold and its technical side, if you have any questions about that, you can ask me in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. I of course answer them. You can actually leave me a comment. I'm not like other people. I'm not saying I don't have time or anything like that. I will answer them. You just have to comment and see. On the first position, we have this trend line for the price with 3 touches on that. First, second, third touch. On the fourth time it was broken here, so we enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle, or you could have put your stop loss somewhere safer and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 6 and even more than that after completing the first leg here. Okay, by risk freeing your position, you could have earned even more than risk to reward 6. But the point is, this position had the potential to give us a reward of 6. Okay, some people close it on RR4. RR is the short form of risk to reward. Some people close it on RR4, some people close it on RR2, some people close it on RR5, and you know, some people wait and get even more than that. Okay, it depends on the person and actually the mood that person is when he is trading or she is trading in that time. On the second position, we did have this trend line for the price with 2 touches on that, actually with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. Okay, on the fifth time it was broken here, so we can risk on that and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles or somewhere safer like here, or even very safer like this one, and look for our reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 3.5. And the next point is, when your position gives your actually RR1 like this one, you should risk free your position. What is a risk free? Risk freeing our position is to put our stop loss where it was here to our entry point. In that case, if the market returns and touch our stop loss, we are not gonna lose any money. Okay, and it is really nice to avoid actually, you know, stop losses just happening like this. You know, sometimes we have some stop losses. Okay, our position is in profit, like it gives us a reward of 1.5 and something like that. Okay, or RR1, but you know, the market returns and touch our stop loss. You can avoid those kind of stop losses by risk freeing your position. And when the market gives your RR2 or risk to reward 2, you can actually put your stop loss. You can risk free your position actually, but you can also I just forgot the point. You can actually close your 50% of the position and let the other 50% go for itself. You know, if it is gonna be losing one or the winning one. In this one, you know, if you actually close your half of your position and let the other half open, you know, you might have earned something like RR4 here. Okay, on the third position we did have this trend line again with one, let me clean it, with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches here, and it was broken here, so we enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 2.5 somewhere here, and after that the price starts falling. On the trade 4 and the last one, we have this trend line for the price with 2 touches on that. It was broken here to the upside, so we enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for our reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 4 somewhere here. And also we have a resistance here. As you can see, the price was falling and it makes a correction, then it continues falling, So this can be a nice level of resistance. We draw that line. In the future the price reacts to that level, and when we see this red candle showing that the price got rejected from this level, we can enter a sell position, or actually close our buy position and enter a sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.